Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class of English. In our session today, we are going to complete our lesson number 2, Bala Spins Magic, and we are going to look into some of the book back exercise. What is this lesson about, children? This lesson is about a little boy called Bala who lives in a village near Balaji. His whole family are weavers. They weave beautiful saris out of cotton and they sell it to other people. So Bala's village had no electricity and people are really very poor. Bala used to wonder why his mother never wore the sari she weaved. You know what Bala's mother said to him? She said that these saris are very costly. We cannot afford to buy them. We can only make these saris and sell it for a good price. One day Bala's father decided to go to Chennai to sell his saris so that he will get a good price for it. So they took a train from Coimbatore and reached Chennai and stayed in Pushwakam where Bala's appa's friend lived. Soon they reached a big house after what seemed like many hours. The guard at the door let them in. They sat in a big hall and unpacked the saris. What happened? They reached a big house and they were traveling so much it looked like they were traveling for many hours. When they reached the house, what happened? The guard, that is the security of the house, let them in. Once they sat in the big hall, they unpacked the saris. A young boy saw them and called out saying, "Mom, there's a man with two bundles to meet you." So, after reaching inside the hall, what did Appa do? Appa was showing the sari to the auntie and trying to sell it to her. He made each sari special and unique. What is the meaning of special? ஒரு அதிசயமான வித்தியாசமான unique means something different. ரொம்பவே வித்தியாசமா இருக்கு, பார்க்கிறதுக்கு அழகா இருக்கு ஒரு சாரி அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒவ்வொரு சாரி பத்தி சொல்லிட்டு இருக்காங்க. He even draped the sari over to show the design. What did he do? He even draped the sari. Draped the sari na அந்த புடவைய வந்து கட்டி கூட காமிச்சாங்க. அப்பதானே full design அவங்களால பார்க்க முடியும் இல்லமா? So he even draped the sari. Wearing the sari is called drape. Okay, children? Soon the other boy asked, "Mom, can I ask the boy to come and play with me?" So what did the boy of the house do? He wanted Bala to come and play with him. So he asked his mom, "What is your name?" asked the boy. Periya Negamam Balakumaran. It was a really long name, children. What was Bala's full name actually? Periya Negamam Balakumaran. What is the meaning of Periya Negamam? Periya Negamam was the name of his native place or his village. What's yours? Nitin, said the boy. Nitin's room was full of toys. Nitin let Bala play with all the toys. Most toys had some electrical control. So when Bala went to Nitin's room, he saw that it was full of toys and Nitin let Bala play with all the toys. And how were Nitin's toys, children? Most of his toys had some kind of electrical control, like it is a battery operated toys. Since Bala's home does not have electricity, he does not know to play with most of the toys. Like he had some video games, he had some computer games, something like that, all which is connected to electricity. And in Bala's home, was no electricity, so he did not know how to play with most of the toys. In one corner, Bala saw a spinning wheel. Now, this was a toy he knew to play with. So, he had so many toys. In that so many toys, there was one spinning wheel. What is spinning wheel? Tari. Tari. Neither tari. Like, you know what a spinning wheel is? It's something you can. Have you seen the picture of Gandhiji, children? காந்திஜியோட பிக்சர் பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? அவர் எப்பவுமே நூல் நெய்துட்டு இருப்பாரு இல்லையா? What is it? அதுக்கு பேர் வந்து என்ன தெரியுமாமா? ராட்டை. ராட்டை. அவர் அந்த நூல் நெய்ற அந்த மிஷினை வந்து ராட்டை சொல்லுவாங்க. In English it is called as spinning wheel. So now this was a toy he knew to play with. Do you know what to do with it? I don't know to play with it, said Nitin. Nitin did not know how to play with this toy, but he has got it in his home. This is Ratai. What did Bala say about this? He said, this is a Ratai. Do you have some cotton? Asked Bala. Nitin did not have. Nitin did not have any cotton with him. So you know what Bala did? Bala dug Appa's bag to get some cotton. As they are weavers, they always keep a stock of the cotton. Bala took the cotton fluff and attached it to the spinning wheel and turned the wheel all the while. So what did Bala do? He took the cotton fluff and the cotton and the பஞ்சு இருக்குல்லமா அந்த பஞ்சை எடுத்து அந்த ஸ்பின்னிங் வீல்ல அட்டாச் பண்ணிட்டு அந்த வீலை வந்து சுத்திக்கிட்டே இருந்தாங்க. You can do magic, shouted Nitin. Can you teach me? So Nitin was very excited. He is used to all the toys and he has played with all the toys in his house. In the spinning wheel தான் அவன் யூஸ் பண்ணதே கிடையாது. ஸோ அதனால புதுசா ஒருத்தர் வந்து அந்த ஸ்பின்னிங் வீலை எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னு காமிக்கும் போது he was very excited. He felt it is magic because அந்த காட்டன் பால் அந்த காட்டன் ஃப்ளஃப் இருக்குல்லமா அது வந்து திடீர்னு ஒரு cloth மாதிரி வரும்போது he was very excited. You can do magic, shouted Nitin. Can you teach me? Not like that. Do it this way. Here, hold this. Spin this, said Bala. Bala taught Nitin how to use the spinning wheel. Bala had a wide smile across his face. Nitin struggled but soon learned to spin. Very soon what happened? Nitin also learned to use the spinning wheel. Can you see this image, children? This is a spinning wheel. One which is when Nitin had in his home. Soon they stepped out. Appa had sold many saris to the auntie. Mom, he taught me magic, said Nitin. Nitin was very excited that he has learned something very new, something very useful. Auntie laughed and said, well, naturally, his father is a magician too. A weaving magician. Auntie, that is Nitin's mom, was also very happy. She said, naturally, Balaoda apavum oru magician da. But you know what kind of a magician he is? He is a weaving magician. What is the meaning of weaving magician? One who can make beautiful cloth materials. One who can create beautiful saris. Yes, I will tell all my friends in school that a magician from Periyanegamam taught this magic. Nitin was very excited that he said, I'm going to tell all my friends in school that a magician from Periyanegamam has taught me this magic. Now this is your book exercise related to this lesson, children. Let us understand. I've given this is the fill in the blanks, children. I've given it with the answer. Fill in the blanks. Appa weaves beautiful saris with checks or patterns. Appa weaves beautiful saris with checks or patterns. Dash has made math easy for Bala. What is the answer? Skeins. Skeins has made math easy for Bala. Nitin had many dash toys. Electrical toys. Nitin had many electrical toys. Number 4. Bala's home doesn't have dash. What is not there in Bala's home? Electricity. Number 5. Nitin's mom said that Bala's father is a dash magician. Weaving magician. This is one more exercise, children. Let us build. Hey, look, a truck is crossing. Oh, but this is not a truck. This is a lorry. What are these two boys discussing, children? One boy is saying that this is a truck. Another boy is saying this is a lorry. I think both words can be used. Some words are used to indicate the same thing. Both are right, children. Truck is also right. Lorry is also right. So we are going to look into some words which mean the same. We are going to see two words, but the meaning for it is the same. So what is this, children? This you can say it as a taxi. What is the other name for taxi? You can also say cab. Taxi, cab. Both are same. Next, what are all these, children, called as? Chocolate, right? Chocolate, or you can also say candies. Chocolate is also right. Candy is also right. What is this? Biscuits. You can also call biscuits as cookies. Biscuits, cookies. Football. This is a football. There's another name for football. You know what is it? Soccer. It is soccer. So here we are going to look into some words with similar meanings. Eraser, rubber. Eraser, rubber. Movie, film. Movie is also called as film. Dustbin, trash can. Torch, flashlight. Post, mail. So mail is something which we know right now, children. Mail, we send it through the phone, right? Post, mail. Flat, apartment. Purse, wallet. Game, match. Motorbike, motorcycle. Elevator, lift. Sink, wash basin. Queue. You can say stand in a queue, stand in a line. For today, we will look into one book exercise, children. The rest we will complete it in the next session. Let us learn a few words by joining the dots. Join the dots and fill the table below. You know what you have to do? You have to join the two words that match together. Okay, children, and then you need to write the words here. This is the filled up book exercise, children. We will see what it is. What is the first word? Subway. What is the other word for subway? Underground. Subway, underground. Closet, curtains. Closet, curtains. Holiday, vacation. Holiday, vacation. Pants. What is the other name for pants? Trousers. Chips, fries. Because we fry because we fry it in the oil, it is called as fries. Chips, fries. I've given the words here, children. I've written the words here itself. Subway, underground, holiday, holiday, vacation, closet, curtain, pants, trousers, chips, fries. Children, there is one more video regarding your classwork notes. Refer to that video also.